Here we have a 50-inch Emerson designer ceiling fan, probably from the early to mid 2000s. I've seen quite a few of these on YouTube, but none of them have remotes like this one. And this one's also in the speckled or textured white with the appliance white blades. The blades have two sides, so you can go with the textured white on this side, but I think two of them had some pretty bad scratches or chips in them, so I went with this side. But it's a nice fan for sure. It's very quiet, moves a lot of air. I can't imagine it's seen any use. I got it in the original box as well. And it's also got this remote. It's very large and chunky, and it runs on a 9-volt battery, so that tells you that it is older, but definitely very nice to have in the bedroom. Something unique about this fan, it does have an uplight, which I thought was really cool. One, because I think you don't see that all the time on fans. It also dims, and it provides an ample amount of light for in here. I mean, you can see it lights up the room quite nicely, even though I have my lamps on and everything, but it's also, you can also dim it. I got 60 watt equivalent LED candelabra bulbs in there. So here we'll bring it back to full blast here and shut it back off. And the other reason why I like it is because this ceiling is kind of low, and I'm tall. I'm about 6'2.5", 6'3", and I didn't really want a light kit hanging down here that I could hit my head on. So it's definitely a handy feature to have. So here we'll fire this bad boy up on low. Got a little bit of a hum, but it's not that big of a deal. And this fan does not have a stack motor. It's I believe it's one of those 188 spinner motors, but it performs quite well. It's definitely got a steep blade pitch, and I love that Emerson tag on there. Very cool. Bump it up to medium. And here's high. It's definitely a performer. Relatively well balanced. There's only a couple of scuffs on it. I mean, you got that one right there, and I did my best to hide it as well. There was also a pretty bad one, yeah, right here, but I mounted it this way on purpose so no one would see it. Unfortunately, as beautiful as this textured white is, it definitely is hard to kind of keep clean, you know? Go and shut her down here. That uplight is just really cool. I really like it. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about it, but you know, I think it's a really cool touch, and it's definitely not something you see every day, so. And it doesn't hang down as low either, so it's kind of a win-win for me. So, well, that'll about do it for this video. Thanks for watching.